Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok when your comments are not showing. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to recommend you to do is check your internet connection and try to close and open TikTok app. If this not solve your problem, then go to Me tab. Click on three dots on top right corner. Click on Free Up Space. Clear Cache. Check if the problem is solved. If not, I will show you one more solution. From your profile, go to three dot on top right. Click on Report a Problem. Click on Follow, Like, Comment. Click on Comment. Then unable to load comments. Click on No, and still have problem. Explain your problem here. You can write something like this. And you can also upload screenshot when comments are not showing. And click Report, and they will review your problem and they will respond and fix your problem as soon as possible.